Are you ready to seize control of your destiny and achieve greatness? Over the next 7 days, you'll dive into powerful and actionable steps designed to transform your life immediately. In this video, we're resetting your mindset, zeroing in on clear goals, and igniting your path to a brighter future. Success isn't a lucky accident. It's built with every deliberate action that you take. And today, you're making a move. So let's jump in. Day 1. Mindset Reset. Day 1 is all about your mindset. Success starts with a positive and empowered attitude. So today, I'll challenge you to examine your beliefs. Ask yourself, what limiting thoughts have been holding me back? Write them down. Replace each one with an empowering affirmation. So when you, for example, think, I'm not good enough, counter that with, I am good enough. I have unique talents and I contribute to my success. Visualize yourself succeeding. This mental rehearsal primes your brain for action. Spend 10 to 15 minutes meditating or journaling about your new empowering beliefs. This practice will lay a strong foundation for the rest of the week. So it's important, don't skip it. Day 2. Set clear goals. On day 2, it's time to set clear and measurable goals. The key is to use the hated SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Think about what success looks like for you in the short term. Is it landing a new job, launching that business, or mastering a new skill? Write down 3 goals and align it with your vision. So for each goal, ask yourself, what does success look like? How will I measure progress? And by when do I want to achieve it? This clarity will serve as your roadmap, guiding your daily actions and decisions. Because remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let your goals fuel your journey. Day 3. Create a strategic plan. Day 3. We built your roadmap, a strategic plan to achieve your goals. Break down each goal into small and manageable steps. So for instance, if your goal is to learn a new skill, list the courses that you'll take, the hours that you'll dedicate, and the milestones that you want to hit each and every week. Write down these steps in a planner or digital tool. Prioritize tasks that yield the highest impact on your goal. Schedule your actions in a calendar, ensures that you remain accountable. By creating a clear and action plan, you're not just dreaming about your success, you're actually dialing in and outlining the exact path to get there. Day 4. Take action. By day 4, it's time to roll up your sleeves and take action. All the planning in the world is meaningless if you don't execute. Choose one of the tasks from your strategic plan and tackle it head on. Avoid the trap of perfectionism. Focus on progress, not perfection. My first videos weren't perfect either, and they still aren't. I have a lot to improve, but action breeds momentum. And the more you do it, the more energy and confidence you build. So create a power hour where you work uninterrupted on your most important task. Whether it's making that phone call, writing a proposal, practicing a skill, just take action. Take it today. Your future self will thank you for every step that you've taken forward. Day 5. Embrace growth and learning. On day 5, shift your focus to personal development. Success is an evolving journey, and continuous learning is its fuel. So dedicate time to reading, taking online courses, or listening to podcasts that inspire and educate you in your chosen field. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and learn something new. Reflect on what you've learned so far and consider how it can be applied to your journey. Because remember, every expert started as a beginner. So embracing growth not only builds competence, builds confidence. Day 6. Network and seek feedback. Day 6 is all about connecting with others. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, ideas, and partnerships. Reach out to a mentor, join a community group, or simply connect with like-minded individuals online. Share your goals and progress can help improve accountability and support. Ask for feedback on your progress. Constructive criticism is a tool for growth. Sometimes an outside perspective can help you refine your strategy and overcome obstacles. So today, commit to building relationships that propel you forward, whether it's through social media, local meetups, or professional associations. Remember that success is rarely achieved in isolation, and you truly are the 7 people you most associate with. Day 7. Reflect and celebrate. If you've reached day 7, today's about reflection, celebration, and planning for the future. Look back on your week. What were your victories, big and small? What challenges did you overcome? Reflect on your progress reinforces achievements and helps you recognize your growth. Time to celebrate your wins. Rewarding yourself can reinforce positive behavior, keep you motivated for the journey ahead. Now, consider the next steps. How will you maintain this momentum? set mini goals for the coming weeks, and adjust your strategic plan as needed. The end of the 7-day challenge is only the beginning of a lifelong pursuit of success. Your journey to success is now in motion. And over these 7 days, you've reset your mindset, set clear goals, created a strategic plan, and you've taken decisive action. You've embraced continuous learning, connected with others, and reflected on your progress. Remember, success isn't a destination, it's a daily practice of growth and commitment. So if you're ready to keep the momentum going, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to reach notifications for more strategies to boost your success. Share your progress in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to build a community that thrives on achievement. The future is waiting, and the best time to act is now. So, thank you for joining us on this transformative journey, and I'll see you next time. Let me know what kind of videos you would like. Cheers.